going to witness a skit which shows the purpose of Diwali.
जीवन संगिनी बन के आई, उन दोनों की परछाई बनने की लक्ष्मण ने शपथ दिखाई।
स्टॉप दे लो।
लेकिन राम का तिलक करके तनिक न आया। सिया राम लखन को 14 वर्षों का वनवास दे दिया। तुम राजकुमारी हो जाती, तुम्हारी जगह मैं
వీడి కెమెరా క్వాలిటీ రావడం లేదు.
मेरा है तो वही जहाँ मेरे राधा है। आपकी परछाइयाँ
అదే వాడి ఫోన్ కెమెరా క్వాలిటీ రావడంలా. వీడిది బాగుంది బాలాజీ గారు.
पंचवटी में शोर पटाखा का हृदय राम पर आया। मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम ने उसका विवाह 10 साल हो गया। सीता को देख शोर पटाखा ने असुर रूप में आई। दशानन रावण की है वो, उसने चित्कार लगाई। फिर सीता को हानि पहुंचाने उसने कदम बढ़ाया। तभी अनुज लक्ष्मण ने उसकी नाक को काट गिराया।
You're so happy after looking at such a nice dance, right? Do you know the story of Ramayana? Exactly in which occasion the Diwali is celebrated in after the Rama? In which occasion Diwali is celebrated? For
Right.
which occasion we
Often
celebrate the Diwali of Ramayana?
జోలో పెట్టేది
Don't know. Okay, why do we celebrate Deepavali? How many of you know the story of Deepavali? Because Deepavali means just the crackers, sweets, new dress, holiday. That's it, right? First comes holiday, next comes sweets, everything, right? So you're only waiting for my announcement of the holiday, not the speech from me. I understand. But still I am going to explain you like what is Diwali actually. Why should we celebrate? There are many reasons. There are many reasons. We only know like few things. First and the foremost thing, are you listening first? After finishing my speech, I'll tell you 4 or 5 reasons for Deepavali celebration. Then I'm going to ask someone here to explain at least 2 reasons. So you must listen to me. Surely you must listen to me. Maybe in the corner of that side, the boys who are sitting and chit-chatting, looking at each other's face, I may ask them. The reason for Deepavali. I'm going to tell 5 reasons for celebrating Deepavali, and I'm going to ask 2 students 2 reasons. Who is that? Who is that student? Not now. Later I'll ask. So you must concentrate and listen. It's a sort of a concentration examination. Got it? So first thing is that you know pretty well. Like we celebrate Deepavali because of the success of Lord Krishna over Narakasura. Means Satyabhama and Krishna fought with Narakasura, and as per the values and the pre-predicted versions, Satyabhama has to kill Narakasura, which was done, and it was a grand celebration, the war, that is what the previous day, and the next day, final day, it is the success celebration. Good over the evil celebration that we go for. The first reason. The first reason is that Lord Krishna, victorious, Lord Krishna and Satyabhama victorious over the Narakasura. That is the first reason. The second reason, Rama coming back after 14 years of Vanavasa into Ayodhya. Okay, the people of Ayodhya happily celebrating that. As days goes on, we make it as a Deepavali celebration. Means the people of Ayodhya invited Rama with the lights, diyas, crackers, sweets and celebration, dance and everything. So that was the second reason. What is the third reason? Mostly everyone will be knowing these 2 reasons, right? There are too many reasons. The third reason is that you might be knowing Samudra Madana, right? Means to have the poison, to have the Amrita, to have the Mahalakshmi, to have the every different things of the precious ones came from Samudra. That is the great ocean. So it is the day, means Diwali day was the day when Mahalakshmi came out from the Samudra Madanam. Even that was one of the reasons. Okay, now the third reason you might be knowing. The fourth reason is that Mahavishnu's and Lakshmi's marriage was also considered as Deepavali day. Okay, Mahavishnu and Lakshmi, their marriage day is also considered as Diwali day. There are few more reasons like even the Jains celebrate Deepavali, right? Here there are few more Jains here. You too celebrate Diwali. Do you know the reason why do you celebrate Diwali? This is the day, that is Diwali day is the day where Mahavir Jain got Nirvana. What do you mean by the Nirvana? You might be knowing like it is an important day of your celebration. So even the Mahavir Jain got Nirvana.